It might surprise you to know the Grand Valley has a thriving manufacturing industry of over 170 manufacturers that employ 2,700 people throughout our community and comprise 6% of our local economy. The Grand Valley, where the Colorado and Gunnison rivers converge, one of the safest places to live in the U.S., offering 300 days of sunshine, a rich agricultural history of mouth-watering peaches, sensational wines, and of course, the breathtaking views. We have world-class mountain biking and great skiing and a host of other recreational offerings too. But that isn't all the Grand Valley has to offer. We make things. The Daily Sentinel may not seem like a traditional manufacturer, but they are. This computer-to-plate technology is designed for a daily press run of over 72,000 editions. With over 263 million standard newspaper pages printed per year, the Sentinel doesn't just buy ink by the barrel anymore. They buy it by the 500-gallon tote. Likewise, family-owned Instrum candies might not pop into your head right away, but they expanded their manufacturing line in 2007 and 2008 in order to keep up with the growing demand for 2.5 million pounds of toffee sold annually. The line can now produce 1,200 pounds of toffee per hour and ships all over the globe. Keep in mind that more than 8% of the nation's craft brewers are located in Colorado, and Mesa County is no exception. Canna Creek Brewing Company's bottling facility might be new to the Grand Valley, but their manufacturing line is only one of 3 located in the U.S. The line produces 50 bottles a minute. In order to generate double batches of beer, Canna has 4 60-barrel fermentation tanks to produce their award-winning brews. And it's not just food and drink we make. Honey Skateboards developed an advanced laminated process allowing them to manufacture 2,000 boards with a capacity of 15,000 boards a year. With specialized CNC machines and high-powered sanders, Honey Skateboards send their exotic works of art all over the world. The crew at Honey hopes you enjoy riding their boards as much as they enjoy making them. Mountain Racing Products leads the way in 1x10 and 2x10 mountain bike drivetrains. They have a patented bash guard, and their Kreitler rollers are used by the United States cycling team for training. 46% of their sales are outside of the U.S., and 20% of sales go directly to bike manufacturers. MRP is the leading supplier of components and accessories within the bicycle industry. Leitner-Poma of America manufactures a complete line of cable transport systems, including surface lifts, chairlifts, gondolas, trams, and urban transport. Leitner-Poma has installed aerial and surface systems all over the world. 8 million people in over 61 countries depend on their 8,000 transportation systems to get them to and from work every day. With an R&D testing ground second to none, you may think our area manufacturers focus solely on outdoor-related products. But we have incredible companies bringing the deep sea to countries all over the globe. Reynolds Polymer Technology is the industry leader in manufacturing and installing the world's most magnificent aquariums, architecture, and scientific projects. Last year, they completed 50 projects in 15 countries, producing over 2 million pounds of R-cast acrylic. And in the past 30 years, RPT has completed more than 1,600 projects in over 53 countries. Moving from the sea to the air, have you ever wondered what those things are that distract missiles from our military aircraft? Local manufacturer CAPCO manufactures 15,000 of these countermeasure capsules a day. All processes are completed in-house to produce machine gun mounting systems, small arms and ordnance components, electronic assemblies, and electro-explosive devices for the U.S. Department of Defense. The Grand Valley is well known for its energy exploration and extraction. Halliburton's directional drill bits are recognized worldwide for being reliable and cost-effective, and they are serviced and repaired right here in Grand Junction, Colorado. This local operation repairs all of Halliburton's fixed cutter PDC drilling bits in sizes from 3 7/8 to 17.5 inches for the entire Rockies region. All of these manufacturers work to perfect every minute detail, but none more than GPD Global. GPD is a leading manufacturer of fluid dispensing systems and other capital equipment for the semiconductor, telecommunications, automotive, aerospace, consumer electronics, and medical device industries. They produce the equipment necessary for companies like IBM to assemble microprocessors. This privately owned, high-tech company exports over 65% of their total sales, with the largest growth base in the Asian markets. A lot of people may think of the Western Slope as a playground used to escape the daily grind. But looking at the number of companies locally that build, make, and manufacture things, we know that the Grand Valley is so much more. This is the New West. We are modern, independent, and still wild.